Eildon. So we're at the Riverside Holiday Park and just finished the setup, and check out our camp spot. Amazing! This place is absolutely beautiful. It's called the Eldon Riverside Holiday Park and it's on the Goulburn River just outside of the town of Eldon. They've got all of the normal caravan park facilities and you can hire kayaks and stand-up paddleboards as well, which is really, really awesome. We definitely got the prime location, so if you're ever booking an unpowered site here, be sure to ask for site T18. Cold?
Yeah.
You're doing river yoga. Good camp spot, buddy. Is that good, is it, mate? Tonight.
Roast pork on the spit and roast veg and the ziggy.
And for dessert?
You know, scones, jam and cream.
Beautiful.
For the first go.
Pretty good. Today we're just going to spend the day driving around the area and checking out the sights around the lake. Hopefully we'll chase some waterfalls. Random thing to find out in the bush. I just absolutely love waterfalls. This is the Snobs Creek waterfall and it's got 2 access points and it's just really a pretty place to be. There's no one near. You don't like the waterfall, mate? Okay, alright. Ditched the kid. What you doing there, mate? Okay. Hey, did you like the waterfall? Did you like the waterfall? Did you like the waterfall? I don't think you like the waterfall. Smile.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside.
What did you do?
Devastated. Busted me plug up.
Uh-oh.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I
Thank you so much for watching. We absolutely loved our time here at Lake Eildon. Definitely need to add it to your list.